Dear viewers of the Self-Training YouTube channel, I would like to take a moment to express my sincere appreciation to each and every one of you for clicking on our video 9 Things No One Tells You About Building Muscle. We know that there are countless videos and resources available on the topic of building muscle, and we are truly grateful that you chose to watch our content. At Self-Training, we are passionate about helping people achieve their fitness and health goals. Our goal is to provide you with valuable information and insights that can help you build muscle, improve your physical fitness, and enhance your overall well-being. We hope that you found our video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment on the video or reach out to us through our other social media channels. Once again, thank you for watching our video and for being a part of the self-training community. We look forward to providing you with more valuable content in the future. Best regards. Self-Training Team. Consistency is key to building muscle. Consistency is one of the most critical factors in building muscle. It refers to the act of consistently working out and following a proper diet and recovery routine over an extended period. Building muscle is a gradual process that requires a sustained effort to achieve significant results. It's not a one-time event that you can achieve overnight. Consistency helps to create a routine that makes working out and following a diet and recovery plan a natural part of your daily life. By making it a habit, you're more likely to stick with it for the long term. The key is to create a sustainable routine that fits your lifestyle and goals. Consistency helps to ensure that you're providing your muscles with a regular stimulus that forces them to adapt and grow. If you skip workouts or don't follow a proper diet and recovery routine, you'll hinder your progress and slow down your muscle building efforts. In summary, consistency is crucial for building muscle. It's essential to create a sustainable routine that fits your lifestyle and goals, and to follow it regularly over an extended period. By doing so, you'll maximize your chances of achieving your desired results and maintaining them over time. Importance of recovery when building muscle. Recovery is just as important as exercise when building muscle. In fact, without proper recovery, your muscle building efforts may be hindered or even reversed. Recovery refers to the process of allowing your muscles to rest, repair, and grow after a workout. During exercise, your muscles experience microscopic tears and damage. This damage stimulates the muscle building process, but it's only the beginning. Your body needs adequate time and resources to repair and rebuild the damaged muscle tissue. That's where recovery comes in. Proper recovery allows your muscles to repair and grow stronger, which helps you to build more muscle mass over time. Here are some of the key benefits of recovery when building muscle. Reduced risk of injury. Rest and recovery are crucial for preventing injury. Overtraining or pushing yourself too hard without proper recovery can lead to muscle strains, sprains, and other injuries. Improved performance. Recovery helps to improve your performance during workouts. Importance of nutrition to building muscles. Nutrition is a critical component of building muscle. Without proper nutrition, your body won't have the fuel or building blocks it needs to repair and grow muscle tissue. Here are some of the key reasons why nutrition is so important for building muscle. Provides energy. Your body needs energy to fuel your workouts and the muscle building process. Carbohydrates are a primary source of energy, so it's important to eat enough carbs to support your workouts. Builds and repairs muscle tissue. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. It provides the building blocks, amino acids, your body needs to create new muscle fibers and repair any damage from workouts. Promotes recovery. Proper nutrition can help to speed up recovery after workouts. Consuming enough protein and carbohydrates after a workout helps to replenish glycogen stores and repair damaged muscle tissue. Supports hormone production. Hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone play a crucial role in muscle growth. Eating a balanced diet that includes healthy fats, carbohydrates, and protein can help to support hormone production. Provides vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals play a crucial role in overall health and well-being, as well as muscle growth. Consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables can help to ensure you're getting all the vitamins and minerals your body needs. In summary, nutrition is essential for building muscle. To maximize your muscle building efforts, be sure to eat a balanced diet that includes enough protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, and vitamins and minerals. This will help to fuel your workouts, build and repair muscle tissue, promote recovery, support hormone production, and ensure overall health and well-being. Effect of overtraining to building muscle. Overtraining can have a negative effect on building muscle. When you exercise too frequently or with too much intensity without proper rest and recovery, it can lead to a state of overtraining. Here are some of the ways overtraining can impact muscle growth. High levels of cortisol can also lead to muscle breakdown and reduced immunity. Decreased motivation. Overtraining can cause burnout and decreased motivation to exercise. This can lead to a decrease in exercise frequency or intensity, which can hinder muscle growth. In summary, overtraining can have a negative impact on building muscle. To avoid overtraining, it's important to give your muscles enough time to rest and recover between workouts. This means taking rest days, getting enough sleep, and following a balanced workout routine that includes a variety of exercises and intensity levels. By doing so, you can ensure that you're giving your muscles the opportunity to repair and grow, which will help to maximize your muscle building efforts over time. Genetics play a role to building muscle. Yes, genetics can play a role in building muscle. While exercise and nutrition are key factors in building muscle, genetics can influence your body's response to these factors. Here are some of the ways genetics can impact muscle growth. Muscle fiber type. There are two main types of muscle fibers, slow twitch and fast twitch. Fast twitch fibers are better suited for explosive movements, such as weightlifting, while slow twitch fibers are better for endurance activities, such as distance running. Genetics can influence the ratio of slow twitch to fast twitch fibers you have, which can impact your ability to build muscle. Hormones. Hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone play a key role in muscle growth. Genetics can influence your hormone levels, which can impact your ability to build muscle. Recovery time. Genetics can also influence your recovery time after workouts. Some people may be able to recover more quickly than others, which can impact their ability to build muscle. Metabolism. Metabolism plays a role in how efficiently your body uses nutrients for energy and muscle growth. Genetics can influence your metabolism, which can impact your ability to build muscle. Muscle shape and size. Genetics can also influence the shape and size of your muscles. Some people may have a genetic predisposition to certain muscle shapes or sizes, which can impact their ability to build muscle in certain areas of the body. In summary, genetics can play a role in building muscle. While you can't change your genetics, you can work with them by following a balanced exercise and nutrition plan that's tailored to your body's needs. By doing so, you can maximize your muscle building potential and achieve your fitness goals. Importance of time as to building muscles. Time is an important factor in building muscle. Building muscle is a gradual process that takes time and consistency. Here are some of the reasons why time is important when it comes to building muscle. Progressive overload. In order to build muscle, you need to progressively overload your muscles with more weight or resistance over time. This means gradually increasing the weight or resistance you use during your workouts. Doing so too quickly can lead to injury or overtraining, while doing so too slowly can limit your progress. Muscle adaptation. Your muscles need time to adapt to the stress of resistance training. Over time, your muscles will become more efficient at performing the exercises you do, which will allow you to lift more weight and build more muscle. Recovery. Recovery is a critical component of muscle growth. Your muscles need time to recover and repair after each workout. This means allowing enough time between workouts for your muscles to fully recover and grow. Consistency. Building muscle requires consistent effort over time. This means sticking to a regular exercise routine and nutrition plan, and being patient as you work towards your goals. Maintenance. Once you've built muscle, it's important to continue to maintain it over time. This means continuing to challenge your muscles with progressive overload, while also allowing enough time for recovery and rest. In summary, time is an important factor in building muscle. To maximize your muscle building efforts, it's important to be patient, consistent, and focus on gradual progress over time. By doing so, you can achieve your muscle building goals and maintain your progress over the long term. Importance of plateauing as to building muscles. Plateauing can be an important part of building muscle. A plateau occurs when your progress in building muscle stalls or slows down, despite your continued efforts. While plateaus can be frustrating, they can also be an important opportunity for growth and improvement. Here are some reasons why plateaus can be important for building muscle. Indication of progress. Plateaus can be a sign that you've made progress in building muscle. As your muscles adapt to your workout routine, they become more efficient at performing the exercises, which can lead to slower progress over time. A plateau can be an indication that you've reached a new level of strength or muscle development. Opportunity for change. Plateaus can be an opportunity to change up your workout routine or nutrition plan. By changing your exercises, sets, reps, or nutrition, you can challenge your muscles in new ways and break through the plateau. Mental toughness. Plateaus can be mentally challenging, but they can also be an opportunity to develop mental toughness and resilience. Pushing through a plateau can build confidence and motivation, which can help you achieve your muscle building goals over the long term. Avoiding overtraining. Plateaus can also be a sign that you need to take a break or reduce the intensity of your workouts to avoid overtraining. Overtraining can lead to injury or burnout, which can derail your muscle building progress. In summary, plateaus can be an important part of building muscle. By embracing the challenge and using it as an opportunity for change and growth, you can break through plateaus and continue to make progress towards your muscle building goals. Rest days are essential in building muscles. Yes, rest days are essential in building muscle. Rest days allow your muscles time to recover and repair after the stress of resistance training. Here are some reasons why rest days are important for building muscle. Recovery. Rest days allow your muscles time to recover and repair after the stress of resistance training. During rest days, your body can repair any damage to your muscle fibers that occurred during your workouts, which leads to stronger, bigger muscles over time. Injury prevention. Rest days also help prevent injuries that can occur from overuse or repetitive stress. Giving your muscles time to rest and recover can help reduce the risk of injury, which is important for long-term muscle building progress. In summary, rest days are essential for building muscle. By allowing your muscles time to recover and repair, you can prevent injury, balance your hormones, and improve your overall performance during workouts. Incorporating rest days into your workout routine can help you achieve your muscle building goals over the long term. Building muscle is a lifestyle when building muscles. Building muscle is indeed a lifestyle that requires consistent effort and dedication. It's not just about going to the gym a few times a week, it's about making fitness and healthy living a part of your daily routine. Here are some reasons why building muscle is a lifestyle. Consistency. Building muscle requires consistent effort over time. This means sticking to a regular exercise routine and nutrition plan, and being patient as you work towards your goals. Nutrition. Proper nutrition is a critical component of building muscle. Eating a balanced diet with enough protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats can help fuel your workouts and support muscle growth. Sleep. Getting enough restful sleep is also important for muscle growth and recovery. Your muscles repair and grow during sleep, so getting enough quality sleep is crucial for achieving your muscle building goals. Mindset. Building muscle also requires a positive mindset and a commitment to self-improvement. Staying motivated and disciplined can help you stay on track and overcome obstacles that may rise. Long-term approach. Building muscle is a long-term process that requires a lifestyle approach. This means making sustainable lifestyle changes that support your muscle building goals over the long term. In summary, building muscle is a lifestyle that requires consistent effort and dedication. By making fitness and healthy living a part of your daily routine, you can achieve your muscle building goals and maintain your progress over the long term. Dear viewers of the Self-Training YouTube channel, I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt appreciation to each and every one of you for taking the time to watch our video on 9 things no one tells you about building muscle. We hope that the video was informative and provided you with valuable insights that you can apply to your own fitness journey. At Self-Training, we are committed to providing you with high-quality, evidence-based information on health, fitness, and wellness. We understand that building muscle can be a challenging and sometimes confusing process, and we strive to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to achieve your goals. Your support and feedback mean everything to us. We are constantly striving to improve our content and provide you with the most valuable information possible. If you have any questions or feedback, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Once again, thank you for watching our video and for being a part of the self-training community. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing you with more valuable content in the future. Best regards. Self-Training team, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please, if you love our video, click the like button, give us a thumb up, subscribe, share and drop a comment on the video you like to see next.